Hello everybody, this is the Magnolia stellata, the star magnolia that I bought from our local supermarket a couple of years ago now for £4 whole, a pittance, you might agree. And last year I had 2 flowers on it. This year 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rather glorious flowers that are just going over now. And the best time to flower a flowering tree or shrub is immediately after flowering, and I've decided that now is the time. Everything's budding out on it. I've cleaned up the pot and taken out all the moss and weeds that I didn't like. I've added some slow release fertilizer and top dressed it with some fresh substrate. And now what I want to do is do some fairly drastic pruning, getting rid of these lower branches that have been helping to fatten the trunk a little, in favour of growing out ahead. So this will be a timey-wimey video, and we'll do this work now and then put it back on the bench, and then we'll visit it again in the summer. It feels a little drastic to be cutting this back, but I do want to make this into a fairly tall broom stroke natural style tree over the next, I don't know how many years, few years, let's just call it a few years, we'll be done with it. So yeah, so that's eliminated those lower branches, and I toyed with the idea of removing this one, but actually I quite like what I've got here. Now I'd already put a bit of wire on over the winter time, but I want to put a bit more. I'm going to leave this flower doing its thing for a little bit longer. Use a bit of this reclaimed wire. Just to do something about these 2 branches, which are almost at 90 degrees one to the other. Leave that a bit jagged because I'm going to cut that off once the flower goes over. Where's me wire cutters? And I think I want to do the same with this. Just let me long enough. Yeah, it doesn't have to do a lot, it just has to bring them in together, so I think it probably will be. I've often said my wiring's nothing to write home about, and you know, I'm not lying when I say that. Just want to bring that there's a little more of a natural angle. I'm going to shorten that, and that, and that, and that, and then I've got a bit of congestion going on here in the centre, which is going to give me a bulge if I'm not very careful. Take off that piece and that piece. I'm going to keep that piece, take off that piece. I'm going to put a little bit of wire. Let's see if I can find a shorter piece to have to cut one of those longer pieces. Okay, why that? You can anchor that there. I'm wiring this very loosely, and then I don't need to worry too much about it cutting in quickly. I just want that branch to come out at that angle. That's better. And that opens up the crown. I'll pop the can in, as always, for scale, and we'll give you a quick 360. This is my front, and then, as I say, we'll pop that back on the bench and we'll check in on it over the summer. So it's the beginning of June today, and the tree is doing really quite nicely. I am just going to give it a little bit of a snip, hoping I won't lose any flowers by doing this for next year, but it's beginning to look a little bit unbalanced, going more this way than t'other. But I'm getting some nice back budding and some nice ramification, so yeah, I'm really pleased. I've got this strange sort of lean going on, but that's fine because this is my front. I just want to get rid of that bit that's growing out there and tidy up this scar slightly. I've got this sort of bit of a lump going on. See if I can't get in there. Just tidy that up. Whilst the tree is growing away nicely now, and hopefully it'll close over that wound quite quickly. I don't use cut paste and things. I know the books say to, and some experts say to, but many gardening experts and things say it's not necessary. And so I don't. But if you want to, you carry on. You pay your money, you take your choice, I guess. A bit of a lump there as well. We'll just tidy that slightly. I'll take a little bit more off there. Boom. Strike now before you change your mind, Sid. I've checked the wiring that I put on. It's not cutting in yet, so I'm going to leave that as it is. We'll give you a quick twirl. It's definitely looking more like a tree than it was at the beginning of this video, and as I say, hopefully I haven't lost flowers by pruning it this time of year. I think I'll get away with it. It's got plenty of time to develop some flower buds for next spring, and there we have it. A short one, but we'll call it a day on this. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Do all the usual YouTube things, liking, the subscribing, comment below. But most of all, please, please, please stay safe, everybody.